You will be amazed by this 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Choose the minivan that's safe, smart, comfortable, and fun to drive. The Pacifica ticks all the boxes. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's so enjoyable to drive, you might forget it's a minivan. Take the Pacifica out for a drive and see for yourself.